we just got here to this job this morning. Still a little snow on the ground. Got an old septic tank down here. Right below my bucket. And a line between the house and the tank's busted. So we cut some concrete out. We're gonna pull it up. See if I get the line fixed. Got all our concrete out. We will start digging down to find that pipe and uncover it so we can replace it. You hit it? Huh? Okay. Got our old black pipe out of there. That's what was in there. And we're right down a couple feet past where this clean out is we put in here. It was basically a foot of pipe that was missing. Looks like they had encased it in concrete and it just fallen apart. And that's where it was stopping up. So we took all that old pipe out. We got some new Schedule 40 4-inch pipe in here with a clean out put on it. We always put these two-way tees on it. Normally your normal sanitary tee only turns one way. We put the two-way on there, that way you can run a camera both ways. Clean it out if anything ever gets clogged. We did have PVC in the ground, which was better than what we were hoping for. We thought it might have been some old Orangeburg pipe, which is an old pipe they used to use This being PVC gave us the option to have a lot better connection. We got that in. We got it into the tank nicely. We will dress that up with some hydraulic cement in order to keep any water from being able to get into the tank that's not supposed to. And we'll start backfilling this, get it packed back down and cleaned up. We will not be repouring any concrete. They decided to do without the concrete being poured back at the time and let the homeowners figure out exactly what they want to do. So we'll get this cleaned up, get the lid back on the septic tank, and be on to the next job. All right, we have got our cement. Yeah. Got our cement around that pipe down there. We're gonna set our lid back on. Be ready to backfill it all. Are we good? I can set it down with, it's just high. Oh, you talking about in the dirt?